So this is the HTC Desire. It runs Android 2.1 with HTC Sense user interface sitting on top of it. The specification of the handset, we have a 1 GHz Snapdragon processor. You've got a 3.7-inch AMOLED screen, so beautiful colours in it. As you know, Sense UI gives you 7 home screens that you can customise and fully change. You can throw away things, add new bits in. One of the changes we've made on this, on the newer version, is that rather than just having to search, you can just pinch and you bring up all 7 screens there, decide which one you want to go to and straight into.
If you click on the home button, it also does.
It does exactly the same. You're beating me to it there. So if you click the home button, it does it. It's more fun going like that, though.
It's much more fun.
Why use a button? So you've still got similar things. You've got your notification bar. A couple of new things we've added as well. Where is it? Friend Stream. So Friend Stream's a new application that we've added that allows you to synchronize all your Facebook, Twitter and Flickr into the same place. So rather than having to go check individual applications, you can just go in and get all the updates, all the status updates, all the new albums in one place.
Okay, just one question.
Yeah.
It's integrated, right? So it's everything that is updated here is from Facebook and Twitter and Flickr.
Yes.
But how do you know where did it get it from? What's the source?
What do you mean? How do you know which one it came from?
Yeah. From Facebook or from Twitter?
It tells you in the corner there. See, these are all Twitter ones. So you'll see in each one. So this one's only set up with Twitter, I think, actually, to be honest with you. No, there it is. There's Facebook as well. So there's a Facebook one. Okay. So quite easy. Okay. You still have, I don't know if you know, in previous versions of our handsets, like the Hero, you could have individual Facebook, Twitter, and everything. Still do that. We haven't taken anything away. It's only new stuff that's added.
I just wanted to
that's fine. Another thing, if you dive into the likes of people, have you used a Hero before?
I haven't.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Good. You'll know in your Hero, if you go into a contact, you've got all this detail and you can go straight to things. Yes, yeah. You should work for HTC. So all that remains the same, right? But what we've also got is something a wee bit different, that if you click on the picture, you've got quick links. Okay? So if you then sit and think, right, I want to text them. Oh, it dives straight in there. Oops.
Can you do it again for a second?
So that was onto a contact card now. So if I now wanted to text them, press that one, straight in. Very quick and easy. So that takes people-centric kind of the next stage. But once again, we didn't remove the old bit. It just gives you more options.
Does it support DivX?
As standard, it doesn't support DivX at the moment. We are looking at all sorts of developments, and there might be different things coming in the future.
But no HD capability?
Not at the moment, no. I know there was stuff leaked on the web a while ago.
That's the point. We saw the leaked catalog, and it said DivX and XVID and HV.
We might release updates for it later on.
I hope you will.
We'll see what happens. So where was it? You completely blown me off, right? Okay, so camera. We've done a lot of changes to the camera. There you go. See, tell you what, we'll do it this way, shall we? Camera's a lot faster to start with. It'll take a picture quicker than it used to. It used to get a bit of a complaint, so there you go. Bang, picture's quite fast. You've got the option to Bluetooth file transfer now as well, so that's added in as well. So that's good news. By the way, if you've got Hero, do you know anybody? You got any friends with one as well, or with a Hero? Yep. No. A brilliant application called Hawker.
I have it, yeah.
Which you can throw stuff
on the air.
You can. It's very silly but good fun. So that's good. Another thing we brought in. So if I go back. We put a lot of different settings in. So photo and video there, nice and easy. Brightness you can adjust. So you can scroll those and change them. You've got all your contrast and everything, so control dials let you adjust everything. various different settings, and you see here it gets quite powerful. And what you can do, you can geotag, you can adjust the type of metering, you can adjust the focus.
How many
everything.
Any special effects like color picture? Like
there you go.
Oh.
There you go. So you've got all them there.
How many megapixels?
It's a 5 megapixel camera.
What's the highest capture in video?
It's VGA at the moment. So it's
That's VGA
and the video.
Legend is HVGA, right?
Is the Legend HVGA? You could be jumping ahead of me.
HVGA. No, I think it's...
Yes, I'll do wide VGA actually. So there you go. So
nice.
we only got to properly mess about with these yesterday when they were launched. So there you go.
See the back?
See the back? Yeah.
That's very nice device.
Yeah.
So it's a nice, tidy piece of kit.
It's much more beautiful than pictures.
Yes. The obvious one is we've got a lot of people coming up talking about Nexus 1 because it's very similar inside. Nexus 1, which we built obviously, has buttons along the bottom there rather than the actual hardware buttons, and it also has a roller trackball rather than the optical one, which I really like. It takes a second to get used to, but it's just really nice the way it works. And obviously there's no moving parts. You still have a click button. And the thing with this is Nexus 1 runs 2.1, this runs 2.1, but then obviously with this you've got all our additions on top of that, so all the extra bits that we add. So yeah, it's a nice piece of kit. Do you like it?
Yeah,
I love it.
You want a shot?